The design library allows you to drag and drop files directly onto your work area. And the design library is found down at the bottom right hand corner below your sequence view. You'll see a tab called Design Library. You can go ahead and click on it and you'll see your little library pops up here. And automatically loaded are a few different folders here. You have this clown, you have this floral, you have this heart, you have a home decor, kids, and you can see the different designs that are loaded in there. These are all designs that you already have that were provided to you at no charge. So you can just see that there's a few different ones available. Now you do have the ability to add your own designs. You have the ability to create your own folders as well. So let's say that this is a customer of mine that I do work for, and let's say that I wanted to create a folder that is for work. So I'm going to come in here to this design library section. I'm going to go right click and I'm going to say I want a new folder, and I'm going to name this one customers. And then I'm going to select the customers because this is a specific customer. Let's say school rewards. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to right mouse click and I'm going to add a new subfolder. And by adding a new subfolder, I'm able to come in here now and do school rewards. So if I had more customers later, I would, I have the ability to, add more customers into this customers folder, and I can minimize it and maximize it. So it's kind of neat. So what I would want to do is file, save as, and I want to save this as a library file, an LDF. So I'm going to select that, and you can kind of see in here. I'm going to go. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to come in and find where my design library is located here. Okay, so we have Floriani right here. We have designs, and we have Floriani tab here, which we have designs. You can see that the new one that I added is customers. I double click on it, and I'm going to go to my school rewards and double click on it. I'm going to name this one SR for school rewards. I'm going to hit save. So now if I come down over here, you can see that when I click on this school rewards, that it actually shows up here. So I'm going to go to File New, just to kind of show you how these work. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this and drag it onto my screen. And you'll notice that when I do that, it automatically loads it. It puts it at 100% size. It doesn't change the size of the design, and so it puts it in there at the actual size. Now, one thing you'll notice is when you bring it in, it automatically groups the whole thing. And the reason that it does that, and I love the fact that it does this, is that it allows you to come in and resize the design. So you don't have to select all of the items then resize, because if you already have a design open and you're just kind of bringing this one into it, you would have to go in and select each individual object before you resized it. So it's kind of nice that it groups it together. So that's kind of how you use the design library. You have your folders. You can create new folders. You can create subfolders. I can go and I can have this one selected and I can hit Add Designs. And what that allows me to do is navigate anywhere on my computer, find the designs I want, and hit open. And the moment that I do that, it's going to drop it into this folder because I have that folder selected. So it's kind of neat how you're able to work with it. So I can come into My Designs, let's say, and I can right click and go to Add Designs, and let me go to my computer here and Documents. Let's see here. I'm going to go into just some designs here, and let's see here. Let's just take this one for instance and hit open, and you'll see that it actually drops it in there. So now it's ready to be used. So that's just a little little quick tour of it. you can just, when you start right mouse clicking, you can see the different options you have: add in a folder, delete in a folder. You can show the contents of a folder. When you do that, you'll see that it opens up a dialog box, and one thing that you'll notice here is that I was in this My Designs. You'll notice that not only do I have the embroidery files, but you can see now that I actually had JPEGs and a Photoshop file inside of this folder. Now the thing is it's only going to show you the embroidery designs, and that's kind of nice too, because if you're working with for customers, you can load all their information in here. Maybe I have a JPEG image of this design and some other stuff, but it's only going to show me the embroidery designs, because that's all I'm really concerned about inside of the software. So it's really neat. Take time to play around with the design library. It's a very powerful tool. It's very simple to use, and I think that you'll use it very regularly.